Hey everybody, Robby here with my homeboy Big Johnny John. He is a metal detector champion and I am a bass detector here in the urban area of DMV. Just caught this nice one here in this little pond. Gonna let her go and then I'll show you what I caught it on. Alright, catch and release. Urban Bass Anglers, Robby Road. Please subscribe, click subscribe. I need 1,000 subscribers so I can go live, baby. Here we go. Nice big 2.5. It's close to 3 pounds right there. There she goes. All right. It's very windy out here, up to 50-mile-an-hour winds today. John can attest to that. Look at the rip on the water. Throwing a spinner bait, custom gray goat lures. That's my secret color right there. You're gonna have to message me and get in touch with me to find out how you can order yours today. Please subscribe again, urbanbassanglers.com. Check out the Instagram, Urban Bass Anglers, and on Twitter. And we will be back at you. Thanks.